Hello, this tutorial is how to install Aspire 11.5 or whatever the current version of Aspire is onto one of the school computers. We're going to start out on the Advanced CAD/CAM webpage. You're going to go ahead and click on the software link on the left-hand side. That'll bring up several links. We're going to click on the Aspire download portal. That brings up the Vectric website. Those are the folks that make Aspire. For the email address, you're going to go ahead and type in dcribbs, D as in David, CRIBBS, B as in boy, at parishepiscopal.org. The password is going to be parish CAD CAM, all lower cases, no spaces. Go ahead and hit sign in. And that should bring you up to the latest version of Aspire that we were able to download. Currently that's 11.5, but in the future that may increase. So go ahead, hit the red download now button. It should already be installed on the machine. All that you're going to need is the copy license to clipboard. So we'll click on that. Click on the allow cookies down at the bottom, and then go ahead and minimize your screen. Somewhere on the desktop should be the current version of Aspire. Go ahead and select that. It'll bring up the license information menu. Go ahead and click online, which is already selected. Go ahead and click next. Go ahead and click login. Okay, and it's going to pull it up in Microsoft Edge. Well, all right, we'll survive through it. We're logged in Chrome, but it doesn't remember that. So just type in the password again, dcribbs at parishepiscopal.org. It's so hard to find good help these days. And then type in parish CAD CAM, all lowercase, no spaces as the password. Well, there we go. It already sees that we've got it downloaded. It just needs the license. Go ahead and click allow. It sees that it's successful. So I think go ahead, hit allow cookies, but I think we're done. We can go back and click on the license information on the center of the screen, click finish. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, getting our software configured. We can go ahead, it's already connected, we hit next. And then go ahead and hit search. We're going to install the CNC router that we have here about Parish Episcopal. We can go ahead and say yes to the post-processor question. And we're going to search by manufacturer. We have a ShopBot. So all the way down to the S's. As far as the series, we have a PRS Alpha, and the model is 48-48. And we'll go ahead and leave that as a default configuration. Go ahead and click download, and we'll say yes. We'll go ahead and click finish. So now the Vectric software knows that we've got a ShopBot that's sitting in our welding shop. So whenever we hit machine, up here in the top left, machine configuration, it already knows that we've got a ShopBot. Usually we'll use the ShopBot TC Inch, the latest V3, but that'll get covered in another tutorial when we're talking about how to do tool pathing. But this should be your tutorial on how to get Aspire 11.5, the current version, installed on a school computer. Thank you.